Hello everyone, I am Babita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about that. Do you want to speak better English? So you must watch this video till the end because in this video, I will completely discuss about it. So without wasting time, let's begin the video. Guys, I 100% know that you are watching this video in order to speak better English. Yes, why not? And here I want to mention few things. Those things are really very significant for you all. Well, and if you do these things regular, so you will feel comfortable while speaking English, and after that you will become better in English speaking. So let's see what are those things that I am talking about. Let's see. So first thing is that be confident in speaking. Guys, why am I emphasizing on be confident in English speaking or in speaking? Because as you know, you can't speak English without confidence. So that is why confidence plays most important role in speaking. Well, if you are speaking Hindi or English, it does not matter, but confidence is the first thing that is most important in speaking. Well, so you only have to show your confidence before speaking English. While speaking English, you don't know how to build confidence in English speaking, so you should watch my previous videos because there are a lots of information about how to build confidence in speaking. Those videos will really help you too much to improve your English confidence very soon and very easily. Yes, this is 100% right. But guys, confidence cannot build in a day. But one day confidence can be built. Well, I hope you have understood about how to build confidence. So confidence is everything in speaking. So if you don't have confidence, so you cannot speak English. To speak better English, there is a requirement of confidence in English speaking. That is why here I am emphasizing on confidence, how to build confidence in English speaking. Well, so I think it's easy how to build confidence, but you have to work on this thing regular. Well, I hope you have understood about how to build confidence. So overall, confidence plays most important role in English speaking or in speaking. Well, you can speak any type of language, but there would be requirement of confidence. That is why I'm emphasizing on confidence. If you don't have confidence, it's okay, you don't worry. But you try to build confidence in yourself. How to build confidence? It's easy, but it cannot be built in a day. One day, it will be definitely built. Well, I hope you have understood about how to build confidence. But guys, if you don't have confidence, so you cannot speak English fluently and confidently in front of everyone, in front of everyone. Yes, and be confident in English speaking. And second thing is that relax. Guys, why am I emphasizing on relax? What relax means? Relax means moderate. Moderate means naram hona. Naram matlab शिथिल होना. Guys, as you know, so if you are not moderate, so you cannot speak English. So there is a requirement of moderate. There is a requirement of relax while speaking English and before speaking English. Yes, you can say not before speaking English, but yes, there is a requirement of relax and moderate while speaking English. After that, if you are a moderate person, so you can deliver your speech very easily and you can become better in English speaking. This is 100% right. Yes, I guarantee you. One day you will definitely become better English speaker, best English speaker, good English speaker. It's totally up to you. You have to do work on these things regular, not only one day. After that, your English speaking will amazing and fantastic. Well, so guys, here I would tell you, if you really want to speak better English, so you have to sustain in this video till the end. After that, you will get a lots of information, a lots of wonderful information, great information, good information from this video. And after that, you will say, wow, I learned a lots of things. I learned different types of things from this video. This video is really very wonderful for you all. So I think this video will really help you too much to improve your better English speaking, and this video will really make you better English speaker. Well, I hope you have understood about relax and moderate. And third thing is that don't assume anything. Why am I emphasizing or why am I saying so? Assume. Assume means suppose, imagine. It means that if you are going to speak English, you don't think before speaking English, how will I speak English, and how will my presentation, and how will I show my confidence while speaking English. No, you always try to speak English randomly. ओके, यू डोंट इमेजिन, कल्पना मत करिए, सपोज मत करिए कि मैं कैसे बोलूंगी कैसे नहीं बोलूंगी, या फिर कैसे बोलूंगा कैसे नहीं. नो, ओनली यू ट्राई टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. योर ओनली वर्क इज टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. Apart from this, you don't have to do anything except speaking. Yes. So you don't think and you don't assume how will I speak English, and what will I speak English, and how will I give my lecture in front of my audience, in front of the people. No. If you are a beginner, so you could be frustrated, and you could feel hesitation, fear and shame while speaking English, before speaking English. No guys, you don't think about hesitation, fear and shame. I know you have understood about you don't have to assume, imagine and suppose before speaking English. No, you only have to assume, suppose, imagine while speaking English. How am I giving presentation and showing confidence and lecture in front of the audience, in front of the people? Yes, you only think about at that time. Before, you don't have to think about these things before speaking English. Well, and fourth thing is that don't try to be perfect. Why am I saying so? You don't try to be perfect, because as you know, no one is perfect in this world. That is why I am saying so. You cannot be, you don't try to become perfect in English speaking. You try to speak English whatever you know. Yes, you only have to do this work regular, not one day. You don't think how will I speak English, if I will speak English audience will laugh at me, people will laugh at me. No, no one is perfect. You try to speak English what you know. You always try to speak English randomly. Well, I hope you have understood about, so perfect is nothing. Well, I hope you have understood about you don't have to perfect in English speaking. And fifth thing is that don't focus on mistakes. Yes, guys, why do I always say you don't focus on mistakes? Because mistakes are not everything. Anyone can mistake. Why? Because no one is perfect in this world. That is why your confidence is everything for you all. That is why I always focus on confidence. So I think apart from confidence, there is nothing, because this thing has a lots of power, and this thing can improve your English speaking very soon and very easily, and this thing make you become better in English speaking. Yes, it totally does matter. You know how to speak English. Yes, you can speak English something better and something good, well, in front of any one people or in front of everyone. It's totally up to you. How do you want to practice, and how do you want to give lecture and give presentation, and how do you want to show your confidence in front of the people audience? Well, I hope you have understood about these things clearly. These things have cleared. Well, and sixth thing is that speaking practice. Why do I always emphasize on speaking practice? As you know, If you don't practice, so you cannot speak English. It's 100% right. If you do practice regular to speak better English, so one day you will definitely speak better English. This is 100% right. And I promise you, if you don't know how to do practice, so you should watch my previous videos, because there are a lots of things, there are a lots of information, and those videos are very simple, and those videos are very knowledgeable for you all, and those videos will really help you too much to improve better English speaking. And those videos are very wonderful and great for you all. That is why I am recommending you must try to watch my previous videos. Well, so guys, speaking practice, you can do practice by writing, by listening, by understanding, by watching movies, by listening subtitles, by listening English songs. Means there are lots of things, there are many things you can do practice by using anything. There are a lots of videos of English speaking practice which are available on my YouTube channel. You can watch those videos with concentration and very clearly. And seventh thing is that always try to speak English randomly. Why am I emphasizing on this thing? Because randomly means disorderly, अव्यवस्थित, मतलब without preparing on any topic. So you always try to speak English randomly. You don't think I will make mistake, I didn't practice English, how will I speak English? No. If you are a beginner, so you should only do this thing. And if you are not beginner, if you are a better English speaker, if you are an advanced English speaker, so I think this is not good. So I think you should prepare about your topic before speaking English. This is 100% right. And you should try to prepare about your topic very well. How will I give my lecture? Because if you are a fluent English speaker, if you are advanced level English speaker, so you have a credit to speak better English, to speak best English. So you should try to prepare about your topic, on which topic I will give lecture. I think these things are very important for you all. So I hope you have understood about these things, because these things are very simple. So I think you have understood about these things very easily, clearly. I hope these things have cleared. Well, so if these things have cleared, so you don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do comment me what have you learned from this video. Thanks for watching my video.